So, siguro, ang lulutuin ko ngayon ay adobo sa asin. Bahala na kung ano ang mailuluto ko ngayon na aming tanghalian. So, anyway, nakaluto na ako ng kanin. Ang daming niluto kong kanin. Tapos, ito yung okay guys, ito na yung nababad ko na pork sa bawang, soy sauce at vinegar and konting asin at saka paminta. So ang ginamit kong paminta yung buo ay yung durog na durog tsaka yung pang salad na vinegar kasi no choice, wala kaming nadalang vinegar. Tapos yung soy sauce guys. So ngayon naman kasi nga nababad ko na, nagpainit na ako dito ng kawali at lagyan natin ng konting oil at piprituhin natin yun. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ipiprito lang natin ng konti. Ayan, ganyan. Pag nag-golden brown na, yung little bit golden brown, hanguin, balik ka rin natin, of course. And then, ayan, bahala na kung anong resulta ng niluluto ko guys. So, ayun guys, habang hinihintay natin maluto ito, magbabalat muna tayo ng patatas. Ayan. So, ayan. Balatan muna natin yung patatas at ayan, ipiprito natin. You taste it. Taste it. It's looking like. I just making. So ito na siya guys. Grilled. Grilled. Grilled pork.
Burn.
Taste that. You try.
Why don't have...
Yes. You try and you tell me the truth. What's that taste?
Ew.
What's the taste? I never tried the taste. What's the taste?
Salt?
Salt? Okay, let's eat.
Very salty?
Kasi it's adobo sa asin.
Need water, huh? It's like drinking ocean.
Okay, ikaw, Melissa. Melissa, try it. So, Melissa is the next try. Go. Go.
Tapos pait.
Anong lasa?
Hindi.
Ano nga yung lasa?
Hindi.
Masilam. Masarap. Kasi, yung totoo, it's good.
Nakalag kasi sa tingin.
So, it's good. Okay, go. Give some piece to Tala sil to play. The last taste is for my baby.
That's my baby.
Okay, for Tala. Taste it. Taste. Is it good? Good? Wow. From 0 to 10,
Zero.
what's your score?
8.
Your score? 1 or 10? What's your manap? What's your score? 10. Ah, wow, 10. 4. You're a bad kind of person.
Mama, what was?
It's better than vomit.
So bad.